What was it calling, Zach?
Half a mil left from way over there. So a little bit more, probably
Too much
one.
wind?
Huh?
I had it hit to the left side.
Yeah.
So I had too much wind.
Yeah. How much were you holding?
2.
Try 1.
Yeah, I already did that. Okay, I got it. Come on, bitch.
Where were you?
This is the first time I've gotten to see it.
Reload.
Barely.
Hit! Hee-hoo!